Alright, I got a brand new Stryker SR-655HP. This is a 10 meter radio. It's been converted to 11 meters. So right here in your band selector D, that is your normal 40 channel CB radio. Alright, this radio has been peaked and tuned, receiver line. If you want to get out there and talk over people, this is definitely the radio for you. It's a pretty hot radio. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out on the meter. So we got a 50 watt slug. Reading this middle scale here, we got 15 watts right here. Got my variable power all the way up. Dead keying it. Coming in right at 15 watts. Turn my variable power all the way down. Coming in about half a watt. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the peak power. Alrighty, so we got a 100 watt slug. We're in this bottom scale here, we got 100 watts right here. 80 watts, 90. Radio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 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 check. So swinging 100 watts, pretty powerful. Alright, right here's your Roger beep. You can turn that off. This radio has, like, I believe 5 different Roger beeps. So see if I can figure it out here. So we'll go over to Roger beep. It's on Roger beep 3 right now. Now let's try Roger beep 4. So there you go. Pretty cool. And then the talkback on this radio is very loud. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. It's got your echo. Just a great echo. Really clean. Hello. Check. Adjust your time on it. Radio. Hello. Come on. Alright. Then you got your different colors you can do. So whatever blows your shorts off. You can put it on, I think, disco mode. So, well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.